Damping parameter is intended for making scanner treatment more comfortable for the patient. This is particularly important if we speak about cosmetology. Here we take into account the skin phototype and its thickness. The more dark or thick the skin is, the more sharp the signal should be, and the more pale or thin is the skin, the softer should be the signal. Basically, we need damping 1 for thick or dark skin, and damping 2 for thin or pale one. We also can choose the level of damping in accordance with the acuteness of the process, where damping 1 will correspond to a chronic process, damping 2 to a subacute, damping 3 to acute, and damping 4 for acute but long-lasting process. There is also a varying damping mode, where damping is changed from switched off to 4 cyclically. That mode is intended to enhance the body's responsive reactions and usually used in systemic therapy in combination with frequency modulation.